You're watching DelmarvaLife, and I have a question. Where can you get some nice furniture, an antique dresser, look at that thing, and a bunch of jars of paint? The answer, I'm going to tell you right now, is Sussex County Habitat for Humanity's Restore here in Lewis, and we're so excited to be here hanging out with Katie Millard, who is the Director of Development and Advocacy for Sussex County Habitat for Humanity. Katie, great to see you as always.
You too. Thank you so much for being here.
Love being here. Now, first of all, I mentioned the paint. The paint's new, right?
Paint is new, yes. We are very excited about the paint. So it is women-owned and recycled paint. It's actually eco-friendly, and it is affordable, and it is great quality, and we have fun colors.
Yes.
It's great. We're really excited about it, and everybody should come down and try it.
Absolutely. And this is obviously just one of so much that's happening here at Restore. So can you tell us a little bit about just, what Restore is and what you guys do?
Absolutely. So Restore, not only is it fun to just hunt around and try to find really interesting things, everything at Restore is about Habitat for Humanity and helping the community. So whenever you donate, you volunteer, you purchase anything at Restore, all of the proceeds go right back into the community. So last year, Restore actually built 2 homes right here in Sussex County. So we're really excited about everything Restore does, and also that everybody who comes through here can participate in our mission.
It's awesome too because you never know what you're going to find here.
You never know. Where else can you get paint and a steamer trunk in the same visit?
That's what I want to know. I need to know the answer. And of course, you mentioned the work you guys are doing with Habitat for Humanity. What have you guys been up to kind of lately?
Yeah, so Habitat for Humanity has been doing a lot. So a lot of people are familiar with our affordable construction home ownership program, which is really great. We build and sell between 10 and 15 homes every year. We are also doing healthy home repairs. So that means that we are repairing homes for, our community members who own their home, maybe who haven't been able to make some of their necessary repairs on their homes. So we're trying to make sure that everybody's homes are healthy and they are really comfortable, and everybody is really excited to go home at the end of the day. We also have financial literacy coaching, which is free. So if anybody wants to participate in that, they can just call the office. And we have Restore.
Yeah, exactly. And I've talked to you a bunch of times. I know this is something you passionately care about. What does this whole operation mean to you?
Habitat, and not just Habitat, but other organizations that are helping people find safe and affordable housing, is just so important. 1 in 3 of our neighbors are paying more than 30% of their income on their housing costs, and that's pre-tax. And if they are paying so much toward their housing costs, how are they paying for food, for healthcare costs, for transportation, for fun? It's really important that we all combine forces and make sure that we're helping our neighbors. And actually in Sussex County, a new study found that we need to build 20,000 units before 2030 just to be able to meet the need down here in Sussex County. And that is for all people, so all income brackets, but it's a huge need, and we all need to be working towards that.
So if people see this and they want to get involved somehow, what are the ways that they could get involved?
Volunteering is great. No one has to have any type of experience with construction. We'll teach you. We'll teach you how to paint.
Perfect.
We'll teach you how to swing a hammer, all of that kind of fun stuff, and it's a really fun day. We also have opportunities to volunteer here at the Restore, in our office, on committees. Lots of opportunity. Donations of time and money are really important to our programs. Also, just educating your friends and your neighbors on the need for affordable housing, making sure that everybody understands why it's so important. We actually do have an event coming up as well. I know, very exciting.
Drum roll.
So we have a golf outing coming up. That's going to be on May 17th. All proceeds go back to Sussex County Habitat for Humanity, and it's a really fun day. So if anybody's interested in participating in that, or even being a sponsor, just go to our website, and our website is sussexcountyhabitat.org. More information there.
And if you need a water bottle for the golf outing, also here at Restore.
One-stop shop.
Am I right?
Amazing.
So really anybody could participate in this? How do they get involved? Is it easy?
Anyone can participate. It's actually at Midway Par 3, so it's going to be a really fun day. You can be the greatest golfer ever, or you can be a beginner. We'll welcome anybody.
Perfect. And you guys are experiencing a lot of growth, right?
We are. So over the next few years, we're increasing everything. We're trying to make sure we're doing more home repairs for our neighbors. We're trying to make sure we're able to provide more financial literacy through workshops, through one-on-one coaching. And we're also trying to make sure that we are able to build more homes for affordable home ownership. So we're trying to grow to meet the need down here in Sussex County.
Awesome. Well, we are so thankful for what you guys do, and thank you for taking the time to talk with us today.
Yes, and thank you so much for coming. We always love having you.
Oh, it's always a good time. You know, you and me get together and things always get,
It's always fun.
Wow.
I love it.
You love it. And we also want to say that we hope that everybody has a good night. Thank you, Katie.
Thank you so much.
DelmarvaLife.